Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see math in Python, like what are the functions which we need for mathematics. So we are going to see those functions in today's video. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So first here I am going to create one folder which is going to be 12.math in Python. Okay, now in here I will create one another folder, I mean file, which will be one dot maths.py. You can't write math.py because it's inbuilt function in Python for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, so I'm just hitting enter. Okay, so first we have is min and max. Okay, so first I'll just write one comment, min and max. Okay, now here I will say a equals to min, and inside I will write three numbers. So I'll say um, 10 comma 20 comma 5. Okay, and here I'll take b equals to, and I'll write max, and here I'll give 50, 99 and 3. Okay, now once this is done, let's print, and here I'll say minimum. Oops, I'll write mean only, and here I'll do comma and write a over here, not mean, a. And here I will write another print statement and I will say max, and here I will write b. Okay, now here what it is going to do is, like from mean it will return minimum number. Okay, and from b it is going to return the maximum number, which is 99. Okay, as the name suggests, mean and max, so mean is minimum and max is maximum. Okay, so if I run, then you can see I got 5 and here I got 99. Okay, so this works something like this. Then next we have abs, so this returns absolute value, not abstract, sorry. This returns absolute value in a positive. Okay, so here I will create one more comment, and here I write abs. Okay, and here I'll create variable x equals to, and here I will write abs, and inside this I will give number in minus. Okay, so I will say minus 21.20. Okay, now I will just print that x. So if I print and run this, then you can see it returned the absolute value in positive. Okay, so this is abs. Then next we have power. Okay, so that is denoted as pow in Python, so I'll say pow. Okay, and this will return power of the particular number. So let me just write syntax equals to, if I say pow, and here if I write x comma y, okay, then this is going to be x raised to y. Okay, so this power function works something like this. So here if I go ahead and create variable a equals to pow, here I will give x, which is our 4, and here I'll give 2, which is our y. Okay, and if I print it a, then I got 16, right? So if we multiply 4 by 4 two times, then we get 16. Okay, so this works something like this. I'll just comment this also. Then next we have math module. Okay, so for this let me create one another file, because these were the functions for the math. So I'll say I'll just rename this file, and I'm going to say math underscore functions. Okay, and I'll create one more file which will be 2 dot math underscore module dot py. Now here, to use math module we need to import that. Okay, so if I say import, and basically see, you can import functions in Python using import keyword. Okay, import, and I will write math function name, and this math function comes with Python by default. Okay, so you don't need to install that function using pip. Okay, this comes by default. Now we have square root function in math. Okay, so this will return, basically return square root. Here I am going to write the comment and say math.sqrt. Okay, done. And here if I say a equals to math.sqrt, and inside this if I write the number of which I want the square root, let's take small digit, let's take 4. Okay, and print that a. Okay, you can see we got 2. Let me write 64, and see, you can see I got 8. Okay, so this works something like this. Okay, so I'll just comment this. So our next function is math.scale. Okay, so the function name is scale only, and this scale function rounds the number upward. So if here I write 1.2, then it will round the number and make it 2 only. Okay, so this function works something like this. So here I am going to comment and write math.scale. Okay, here I need to write dot, and here I will say b equals to math.scale, and here I'll write 2.2. Okay, so you will get better idea, or let me write 3.2. And if I print this p, oops, print b, and run the file, then you can see I got 4, because here I wrote 3.2. And let me write one more comment which will say upward. Okay, so yeah, this works something like this. And next function is floor. So this floor also rounds the number but downward. Okay, so if I say 3.2, then it will make it 3. Okay, so I will just write comment math dot floor. Okay, and here I will say c equals to math dot floor, and here I will write 3.2 only. Okay, and I will here write downward. Okay, and I will print this variable print, run the server, I mean run this file. Okay, I am habituated with Django run server, so I'll just, sorry, my bad. You can see it make 3 over here, right? So this scale and floor functions from math work something like this. Then next function we have is pi. Okay, so here let me write math.py. So as the name suggests, it will return the value of pi. Okay, so if I write d equals to math.py, okay, and print this d, then you can see I got value of pi over here, right? So I hope you understood this function. Okay, this was very easy. And yeah, these are the main functions which we need to know. Okay, let me uncomment this. Okay, so yeah, this is the math, right? We learned a math module. Okay, and what functions comes along with math module, some famous functions and most used functions we have seen. And we have seen math functions, but but these functions don't need math module. Okay, these are inbuilt in Python. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.